So now what it does is it goes through millions and millions of possible outcomes and it comes up with an image. Hello everyone. So in the first video what we're going to do is we're going to draw something with the power of AI. Everybody likes drawing, right? And especially Karnik here. Karnik, he has drawn a lot of stuff. Show me his stuff. Okay. This is one of his few drawings. This is a two perspective drawing, and this is, what is this called?
Fruit basket.
Fruit basket. Okay. So he likes drawing very much. So that's why we wanted to start with drawings perspective. Okay. So the first thing you have to do is you have to go to Google. This is the first AI platform you're going to work on. Okay. So type for NVIDIA. Okay. This is the spelling. NVIDIA AI playground. Okay, so if you go to the website here and you have to just scroll down to the second one here, see GAUGAN, okay, and just click launch interactive demo. This will launch this platform. Okay, so first thing you have to do as soon as you come into the platform is that you have to scroll down and see this box here, right? Check this box if you agree with the terms and conditions. Okay, just click that one. Okay, now you can go ahead and start drawing. I would highly recommend you try drawing about landscapes. Okay, so this platform is more focused towards landscape. There are buildings you can try, but as far as I can see, it is not coming up very much. Okay, so today Karnik is going to draw a small landscape which he thinks and probably will convert that into an image. Okay, so we'll see how machine predicts what he is drawing and he converts into an image. Okay, Karnik, go ahead. So as soon as you finished with it, just go ahead and start clicking this button, arrow button here. Okay. So now what it does is it goes through millions and millions of possible outcomes, and it comes up with an image. Okay. I guess probably you can see here. You can see the full picture. Here you can see properly. What do you think?
There's a mountain.
Yeah. See, the mountain is here, and it's pretty much accurate, I guess. We'll try another one?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll try this one. Okay, this is my favorite. I used to draw this same exact drawing everywhere when I was a child. Okay, a hill. And probably grass. I need some grass. Fill up with grass. And we'll have water. What is that? Where is that? Landscape. River. So, the river is coming from here. The river is filled here, and we'll have some trees. Okay, this looks nothing like trees, and we'll add some clouds as well. Clouds here, we'll see what happens. So as soon as you clicked here, we're waiting for the image. This is a really good image. I guess most probably we can see.
Exactly.
Similarly, what are the inputs I have given? It is coming out as much as I expected. This is somewhat similar I expected. Okay. So here what happens is that as soon as we given the inputs as like data in which this is a cloud and this is a mountain, right? Now what AI is doing is that it goes through entire libraries of mountains, clouds, every single thing, and it tries to match something with the drawing that we have. And it clubs together multiple outcomes, it predicts, and it comes out with a small output which is very similar to what we have. Okay, so it's just a small example on how machines can be creative by itself. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and as always there is a link down below. You can go out directly, you can click the link to directly go to the website and you can try it out yourself. Okay, so in the next sequence of videos there will be always link down where you can download the app, or you can directly go to the platform and online and start interacting with the AI. Okay, so I hope this was a fun video, and if you try doing this, send us, if you click here, okay, this is an output which will download. It will download the images. Probably you can send these images to us, and we'll post your videos or images in the next video as well. Okay, so we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.